So this is the iPhone 11, the new entry version of the iPhone. It's going to come in a little bit cheaper than last year's model, so people will be pretty pleased about that, you can imagine. The big talking point with this one are these two new cameras. One of them's a wide lens, the other is a ultra wide lens. Now what that means is, as you might be able to predict, is that it gives you a few photo options. So here's a picture on the normal wide lens, a sort of lens you've had on phones before. And then this one, you can see now, gives you a much wider perspective on the photo you're taking. Also, this new version of the iPhone has a Slo-Mo camera that works in selfie mode, and they're calling these Slo-Fees. So if we give it a wave there, what you should see once it's processed that is we now can do selfies in slow motion. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the more expensive version of the new set of iPhones. This one, in fact, is the Max version, so the bigger version of the three. And you'll notice compared to the iPhone 11, there's actually 3 camera lenses on this one rather than just 2 on the other. And the extra lens is the telephoto lens. And what that means is you can get much closer images than you would without having to actually physically move yourself. So what does that look like? Let me show you. This is the shot here. Now this is the ultra wide angle. You can see we get plenty of the image in there. Then we can go to the wide angle lens and it moves in slightly, and then the telephoto lens gives you added zoom there. And the crucial thing with that, of course, is there's no degradation in quality, which is important if you want nice crisp photos. Now, having extra cameras like this isn't something that just Apple's doing. We know that Huawei, one of their major competitors, is planning to release a smartphone with a whole array of cameras as well. So what it's going to come down to is the quality of the software and making it easy as possible for people to make the most out of having these extra lenses, these extra cameras on their device.
If you look at 2019 as a whole, Apple kind of have fallen behind up until now on the camera capabilities. You know, the Google Pixel with low light capabilities, you've got Huawei with their 3-camera system as well. You know, there's been lots of pushing from the complete market about how the camera and photography is really important. That's the majority of people use their phone to take photos.